All right, so we're getting ready to pull this thing out. And again, I like to mark things. And we're gonna put a mark there. And a mark here, okay? And you can put another mark just in case it gets erased, whatever, but you know where it goes. So when you put the tub back in, it's back in its original position from the factory. All right, so we got our nuts. All our nuts are off, I think. Oh, we got one there. We missed that one. And we are going to pull this thing out. Make sure you protect and grab the washers because they'll get lost down in there. You don't want to do that. So let me loosen that last one. Taking out the drum. Sometimes it gets a little stiff, you gotta wiggle it. All right, get a rubber mallet and tap. And double check, sometimes you may have one that's not off. All right, I'll show you one more trick. All right, so here's the setup. We have our 2x4 and we have something set underneath. All the bolts are loosened. Now, sometimes when they're super stubborn, you do need a little help. We got our support there and we have our 2x4 all the way out. And we're going to push down and we're going to lift that thing out. Amazing, I know, guys. Amazing stuff. I don't see anything. Okay. Nothing indicating resistance at all. So now, if we rotate this, you hear that? It's binding. Listen. Hear that? That's a bad transmission. See that? It's clearly a bad transmission. So, see that? Hear that? Listen. Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's how you remove the drum.